Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is Capitalization Rules in English. The English language is written from left to right. Unlike the Arabic language, it also uses capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are used in the following cases. The first word of a sentence. Example, the big city. The pronoun I. Example, the last time I visited Spain was last year. The days of the week, the months of the year, and holidays. Example, New Year, October, Friday. Proper nouns, the names of specific people, places, organizations. Example, Sofia, Casablanca, Supreme Court. Countries, nationalities, and languages. Example, American, Morocco, English. The titles of books, articles, and songs. Trademarks. Example, Coca-Cola, Honda. Job position abbreviations or title. Example, Dr. Ahmed. Family relationships when used as proper names. Here is a present I bought for Aunt Nora. Stay tuned for more lessons.